All right, so I'm currently packing. Here's my backpack. Packing for my trip to India. So we're going to talk about some things that you should not pack and some things that you should pack when going to India. I've been there a couple times now. Always traveling solo on my own. I really love India, but it's definitely important to note that things are certainly different there. And some things that I would pack coming to Thailand or Myanmar, I wouldn't pack when going to India. So ideally, you're coming from home. So you have a lot of your things to choose from. I'm currently in Thailand and Bangkok, and all the stuff that I have with me is clothes that I've been wearing in Thailand and Vietnam, and the standards are totally different. So Thailand is pretty conservative compared to like the US, but like so here in Thailand, okay, I'm wearing this dress right now, which I'll show you. I have shorts on underneath, but right now, but I'm wearing this dress, which totally fine for Thailand. No one cares, especially here in Bangkok. My arms are out. I have like a sports bra underneath that you can sort of see, but who cares? You know, it's like not super revealing or anything like that by Western standards, or even by Bangkok standards, because whatever, that's a whole separate issue. But for sure, for India, I could leave this home. In reality, I'm not going to leave it home because I'm not at home. I'm in Thailand, and I want to keep this stuff. So when thinking about what to take to India and what not to take, it's really important to be mindful of the cultural norms. So India is, you know, a pretty conservative country, especially when it comes to dress. And the standards are different for men versus women. Like when I was in South India last time, it was so hot there. And I remember seeing men with like, you know, I mean, they look like skirts. I forget what they're called there, but their legs were out. They had like really short ones on, but the women had to be completely covered. And I just remember being so hot and feeling like it was really unfair. But at the same time, I really didn't want to draw attention to myself, and I was not really interested in like making a statement about like, I am a woman who's free. I can dress however I want to. I mean, that sounds good, and like I feel like there's some truth in that. But at the same time, I just want to have a good travel experience, and you know, I just want to have a smooth trip. So when I'm in India, one thing that I always have with me, I'm digging it out, is a scarf, because this is really going to be vital for me for now, because I don't have a lot of clothes that I feel like are India appropriate. But with a scarf, I can just cover up and kind of keep it moving. So skimpy clothes do not need to come to India. And that includes things that you might not think of as being super skimpy, but that are skimpy for India. So even like this tank top that I got in Cambodia, like it's not super skimpy, it's not super low, but like of course my arms are out and it's like a little bit of a dip. I wouldn't wear this just as is, unless I was in a city like maybe Delhi, major city, you could get away with it. Bangalore, maybe you can get away with it. But in reality, clothes like that are really just going to have people looking, kind of give people the wrong idea. And honestly, it's kind of easy to give people the wrong idea if you're not aware of cultural differences. One thing that is good to take is stuff like this. Like I have this really long skirt that I actually got in India. Like this is great because it's cute, it's colorful, it's not too hot. So stuff like that is wonderful, but anything that's just kind of revealing, it's just not worthwhile to bring. And sadly for me, maybe this says something, I don't know, like a lot of my clothes are just not, they're for like the warm weather of Thailand. By the way, why is all of my stuff so wrinkled right now from being in my backpack? I was going to show you guys this this shirt that I have, but oh my god, the wrinkles are real. Like, what happened? I think I need to get some better, I need to up my packing game, because this is ridiculous. But can I let you in on a real little secret? I don't actually care. Like, I'm so low maintenance. If a shirt is wrinkled, like, I'm not that girl who's like gonna go out of her way to try and like find an iron or even try to steam it in the bathroom. I'm the girl who's just gonna put it on and like wear it anyway. Is that too much of a confession? Did you not want to know that like I just don't care about those sorts of things? Okay, so I'm going through here to see what other things I have that I can wear. Honestly, this is really sad and ridiculous. I'm clearly going to need to do some shopping when I'm in India. So that's fun though, because we can do it together. I'm gonna make a video about it, of course, because I really don't have any clothes that are good here. I have a raincoat, which is great, but also in India, it really does, I think this time of year is gonna be quite hot. So let's see what I can find at these markets. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. I'm packing right now, but this shouldn't take me too much longer. Soon I'll be there and we'll be exploring markets and traveling all around. I'm gonna start in Chennai and then make my way around the south. So there's a lot of fun things to come, and I'd love to have you with me on this journey as we prepare our travel bags. Seriously guys, what am I even gonna, I don't know if you see this. Look, I have a bag full of stuff. None of it wearable, none of it usable. Just a bag full of not helpful. After I leave India, I am going to France. I'll be able to wear some of these clothes again. But this is basically a bag full of nothing for the next month and a half while I'm in India. So, let's go shopping when we land, and in the meanwhile, what not to bring? This. All of this. Don't bring any of these skimpy clothes to India, because it's just going to bring unwanted hassle. So that's it. That's all I've got, and I'll catch you later.